Good morning, all the traders around the world, and especially in the US. Today, Wednesday, February 23rd, 2022. So we get in this morning and getting from Nebraska Central Time. And here we know the US dollars went down and the gold went down. But the market's a little green this morning, and especially cruise down a little bit. And a few days ago, the cruise oil is like over $100. Right now, just $91 for 1 peso. And all the finance pound out. 7 stick indicate 500. And the AS Connect 146 is a little higher in trading. It's meaning when the stock we focus in indicate and they based a little bit in US dollar and the gold price. And we can tell these getting up, Dow Jones getting up a little bit. This morning is getting up 0.58% and Nasdaq getting up 1.1 and SB 500 as total, you can call them SB family or SB systems, getting up 0.71. That's not. I mean, Nasdaq over 1%. That's awesome, and especially hopefully today is getting up as seeing for the really get crazy news from the White House in the U.S. and they make the stock struggle a little bit. But I believe a lot of smart Americans already saw the truth and they do whatever they need to do. They don't base on those new anymore, especially. So utility, we can tell is 42.86%. That's the most higher. And healthcare and real estate and consumer staples, those are some stock we need to buy. And I mean, utility and healthcare and real estate right now are the best. And the lowest one is energy and information technology, even those consumer, those and the information technology and communication service too. I mean, I'm not worried that much because when you don't buy, you don't have to take time to look it up. And especially utility give us more profits and healthcare always. I mean, there's a lot of people who get sick every day, and the weather change, especially. Something to say, like in Nebraska a few days ago, it's getting up to like 60 something right now, and this morning it's been negative. They can change 50, 60 degrees a day, and people get sick easily. Come back to the market overview is seeing doing. It's not very well this morning, but there's some green signal. That's good enough, and we can focus on. And now we can compare those because the market system, the world market system. Like here we can see in Canada, like. Canadian gas is not very happy, and they sell their stock, and of course, Canada's economy kind of dropped a little bit, especially in Germany, as everything getting up and looks so green, it looks so nice. Some of them, especially Dash, it's 105.77, just getting up really good. And SDX, it's called S-Dash, and it's getting up like 1.11%, especially Australia, getting up like full green. As the economy is so going up so good. And today, and just right now, we go into getting the first stock, STLA. And we flip from, you can remember TSLA, that's Tesla, and STLA is Stellantis. Stellantis is a company in Holland, and since 2014 has been about like 8 years. But look it up. It's $57 billion. That's pretty good. And it's ranked around 15.87 to 21.99. I mean, that's really good. And if you want, that it's really stable. And when you look at the map every week, every month, 3 months, 6 months, and years, they go up and down so good. Because we have to buy from this stock, kind of a little special. We can look it up with buy from, we call HAP signal. And I will talking about that more. But as right now is about under 19, we can make profits. And if you keep them lower than 18 or 17, that's awesome. But anyway, it's really stable and it's really strong. And they got really, really good news this morning. And compared with the V2, it's really high. V1 very stable. V1 is their price, and V2 is the selling and buying total number. So, and the cap is B++. Oh, and as always, in European stock, we can tell. So it's highest in a day is 18.70 some, but whatever, just we have to keep like lower than 18.5. And this one is on Wednesday, they make just one day. On Wednesday, they make 13.4 billion euro. That's mean $15.2 million. Yeah. Is that crazy? Yeah. That's so big. So we can look it up on those new, and the earning almost triple profit in one day. Yeah, can you believe? You can get some more research and more news. This like they make automobile. It's make about the auto system. They make it, create it, design it, and for the chip as well. They do a lot of things. It's making a lot of system. It's really good mechanic system. And I'm not really focused about the products they make. I'm more focused about what can they do in the stock market. So the CEO say the result, it's really well, and permanence. That's a keyword I need during the years. Instant hands with us, it's not very important. Permanence, that's what I trust them about. So the second one we look for today is Lucid, LCID. As Lucid is American company, American EV, as electric vehicle company. And right now around 25.8, we keep them around 25 or under 25, we can make some money on it. This one is 16, the lowest one, and 57 is the highest one, and $42 billion. It was 50 before, but right now it's just 42. And when we know on a cap and a stable cap and EV, it's getting good future. So when we can tell about the analyze rating from the Robinhood, has 50% holding, 33% buy-in, and 17% selling. But right now is I can tell when you hang long enough on the market and when you see the price, you can, like, you have to know this good enough to buy or not, even though you get lower by dipper, get lower by dipper, and get lower by dipper if they have anything, But anyway, we sell when they get up. That's the way we make money. And we get more information. I can update them later and post on.